Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up fingerprint on Vivo Y27. To set up your fingerprint, go to Settings app, then go to Security and Privacy or Security, then make sure that your screen lock is set. Mine is set to swipe, so I need to change it to, for example, a pattern. So let me quickly configure that. Done. Okay, and now in security, I need to go to fingerprint, then confirm my screen lock, start enrollment, click this check mark and agree. And now place your finger on the scanner, which is on the power button. Lightly tap on it multiple times. You can see that it's scanned. You need to move your finger between each scan to scan the whole area of the finger, so it works when your grip is different. You can also adjust the grip while scanning. Then done. And now when you lock your screen, you can easily unlock it by placing your finger on the sensor. You don't even need to click on the button. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.